So hello and welcome to Field Mixologist. I'm back here al fresco edition. Now what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to start to dismantle the pulley in this engine, and obviously as it is the internet I had to do a couple of things beforehand. In this pulley there is a little grub screw that I've taken out already, and I installed this puller now, and I put a lot of WD-40 down there, so hopefully that will create some sort of lubrication for us to be able to remove this. I think the puller is not pulling straight at the moment, so what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to reset the tool. Let's try this one more time. And it's really important. Let me get a hammer and I try to set it up a bit better so that it pulls through. So as you can see here, things are, well, could be going slightly better. And basically what I'm gonna have to do is so I put these blocks of wood so that it holds a piece in place, and it keeps it from twisting and turning. And I'm gonna have to get out my breaker bar to try and give it a bit of give this whole operation a bit more oomph, but I need to be really careful, because this is not about kind of just slugging the piece out. It's more about gently persuading the piece out rather than and I can see already that there is a little bit of a problem there. Let's have a look. Oh, I've got an even beefier setup here. So obviously it wasn't cooperating a lot, so I had to do this, and now I got to the point where I can start to get some give on the thing, and now this pulley should stop coming out. You can see it there, it's starting to come out, and possibly because now it's been let's always squirt a little bit of WD-40 there. Full of WD-40, that's gonna help. Always helps. There you go. So it is slowly but surely coming out, I think. And it's getting easier and easier as we go by, which is a good thing. Wish I didn't have to do all this stuff though. Ugh. More WD-40. See, can't get enough of that. There you go. Love this machine's for that. It takes some doing. Whoa. So here's where we got to with the pulley. So we took out this first part of the pulley, which came out after a bit of persuasion. But the good news in all of this is that if you look here, this key is actually in quite good condition. Because a lot of the time something that happens to these engines is that if the flywheel is just this flywheel without this extra pulley, what happens is that this key can become very corroded here, and that is a bit of a problem to take out. So altogether this is not too bad. Obviously it will take a bit of persuasion to get this out and then get the flywheel off, but hopefully we can do that relatively efficiently.